Pagani hypercar ever made, naturally aspirated V12, 850 horsepower, just over 1,000 kilos.
About 99 units and all gone.
It is such a sexy. Ferrari paying homage, and we see that more and more in today's design.
It's no reason to produce it just because they can and people.
And looking rather quick as it takes the checkered flag at the finish line to a hypercar. Where do you sit on the supercar ladder?
Most extreme front-engine car ever. It's basically a car that Fernando Alonso has picked and chosen everything that he wants on it. The perfect company car. Yes, indeed, yeah.
Of Aston Martin Racing, this retro futurism car. Absolutely, this one 202 miles per hour top speed, 0 to 62 miles per hour in 3.
Enhance the experience, so quiet, so cruising, and then it does that.
Aston Martin here with a full like the Montage Coupe, the Valour, the Valiant, and the DB12 for Land.
This is great to see.
The look has changed quite dramatically at Aston's over the years, but we do get our eyes on the McLaren Solus GT, the McLaren single-seater high.
It's around this one.